Hi everybody, this is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. We had so much rain starting around 4 o'clock this morning. It was crazy, crazy, crazy rain. And I'll show you the creek in a little bit, but I want to show you that I finally had the heating element replaced in my tankless water heater that's only 4 years old. On May 19, while Jeff was visiting, I suddenly had no hot water. I mean, of course, I was spending more time at the top of the hill. I was cleaning out a garage and stuff, so the criminals could have been in and out of my house and sabotaged the heating element, because I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here you go, folks. The heating element, now this is normally either stainless steel, or copper. It is completely black. And for anybody out there, and I'm going to do that with some hashtags so that I can get some expert out there that knows anything about these heating coils. 4 years old, a Rheem tankless water heater, R-H-E-E-M. But this is what it looked like, folks. It's got scratches on it. How do you think that happens? That looks intentional. Completely black, and we know that the criminals have the technology to completely rust something, degrade, depreciate. This is what it looks like. I want everybody to see. This is the heating element that was removed from my tankless water heater, which is why I had no hot water since May 19. And May 19 and May 20th is the anniversary, one of the anniversaries that these criminals like to use to harass and torture me and inflict some trauma-based mind control. So in May 20th, 2022, my criminal neighbor, John Perky, drove his green John Deere tractor onto my legally surveyed and owned property and tore down my gate across the street. May 20th, 2020, some criminals entered my house while I was sleeping and performed a surgical procedure on my knee and left three surgical incision scars on my knee while they chose to wrap around the base of my knee an existing vein. So they surgically replaced or moved an existing vein and placed it underneath my knee. And I have several photos of that. So now this May 19, 2023, not only did the criminals kill my two cats the week later, but they intentionally destroyed my tankless water heating element. And here you go, folks. Here's the proof. Here is the proof that it was intentionally sabotaged and turned black. Completely burned out black. They did this. It didn't go from being like warm, like hot to warm. It went from being hot to cold, literally overnight. And this is what the criminals did. So this is just evidence, folks. I'm going to send photos of this to the water heater company and ask them, perhaps they can diagnose what happened here. It looks like it's completely scratched on both sides of the elements. So anybody out there, any HVAC person, any plumber, a plumber, water heater guy, woman, who knows anything about these? Oh, and you can see that it's scratched here, folks. Look at that. It's totally scratched here. Sabotaged. Okay, so it cost me $350 to pay the plumber And then I purchased the heating elements separately.